Hello, this is Nate, CEO of Coursetto, and I'm going to show you a learning management system that will be launching very shortly. What we do is we build a system that's tier-based. So if you're a head of HR, you can create some tiers and set managers in charge of those tiers and have them set tiers beneath them, and it can keep going into infinity. And you can set employees within each different department, all managing each different piece. All of them can add courses, create courses, depending on the authorization that you supply. And we also have lots of graphs that go with each different tier base. We also have a course creation piece where anybody within your system can create courses if they are allowed to do so in their authorization. They can do that with a simple upload UI, and I'll be able to show you that just in GIF. We also have a course marketplace where if you feel comfortable with a course that you've created and it's generic and you want to share it with other companies, you can do so and actually generate revenue. Or if you want to just purchase a pre-existing course, that's possible, and I'll go more into that later. So let's log in. It's single sign-on. It's very quick. Everything's updatable according to the company that you would like to actually show. So if you want to change the image, you can change your logo. You can change the leaderboard, so your users will actually feel like they're sitting inside of your own custom software. If your user has zero authorization, this compose courses sidebar will go away, and when they log in, all they would see is just the courses that they need to take, simplifying the UI. Within our reports, just for an example, say I'm an advertising agency, a really big one, I would have all these different departments, and we would see the overall compiled results. If we wanted to create a quick tier, let's say I have a security department, and if I wanted to add a manager here, I could do that and set their authorization to be able to create courses, invite users, or do whatever you need to do, and they would be in charge of this whole tier, security tier. If you wanted to create a tiers underneath it, so I had my own fire department, maybe my own police department, you could go in and hire a bunch of people. You can say fire guy at fire, and if you wanted to add a whole lot more, you can do so. And if you didn't want these people on the lowest tier to be able to do anything, you just turn it all off, send an invite, and now you have it, a pending fire guy, which an email will be sent to them and with login instructions. Here's the course market. You can see we created security, which is the tier that we just built. We have one user within security under fire. You can see the prices for each different course in the marketplace. You can see the price per user, and this is an estimated cost depending on all of your on tiers. If you wanted to turn off a department, say your security department, they don't need a customer service course, you just turn them off or turn them on, however you'd please. You just add the course, and off it goes to all those on departments except for anyone within security. So in the home screen, if we wanted to create a course, just create a title. We'll call this data tracking, how to track it. Now we've created a course. Let's give it a quick little title. Maybe update the thumb, add a quote, data tracking is great, Nate. Maybe we'll add a YouTube video. If you wanted to add that, you just plop it in and that would pop up. Maybe you wanted to add a quick image. And maybe you wanted to quiz them at the end. You could add as many answers as you like and add as many questions as you'd like. Once that goes, all is saved. Now we're done. You can go in and see your data tracking course is all nice and saved. Now that we're done, we can actually launch the course, and if we set it to private, anyone within your system can view that course and delegate that course to their department, or you can go in and delegate it yourself. If you wanted to send it to the open market, you just set a price. And now within your market, you'll see data tracking. Let's turn it off. The engineers definitely need data tracking. Security doesn't need data tracking. Data miners definitely do. We'll just add it to tier. And now anyone who is within those systems will see their data tracking. Obviously, I haven't gone very far. If we go into it, go along, you can see my progress has then grown. Thanks a lot for following me. This is just a quick overview. The system can do a whole heck of a lot more, and we're excited to have it continue to grow. Please send us a note and we'll get you on the beta testing list. Thanks.